Hey, it's Anna. In the journey of relationships, it's crucial to recognize when you have got something truly special. Today, we are focusing on the signs that show you found a woman that you should never lose, and more importantly, what you can do to keep her around. Whether you are in the early stages of dating or in a committed relationship, there are certain things a woman will do that will signify she's a keeper. By the end of this video, you will not only understand these valuable signs, but also know the steps to take to nurture and strengthen your bond with her. Make sure to stay tuned until the conclusion for a vital bonus tip. It's the kind of insight that could change the game for you in building connections. She makes personal sacrifices for your happiness. When a girl you like goes out of her way to make sacrifices for your happiness, it's a profound indication of her care and commitment. These sacrifices could vary from small adjustments in her schedule to significant changes in her plans or priorities, all to ensure your well-being and happiness. This behavior reflects a deep level of empathy and selflessness. She's not just invested in the relationship superficially, her actions demonstrate a genuine dedication to your contentment and the health of your bond. Acknowledging and appreciating these sacrifices is key. When you notice she's making personal compromises for your sake, express your gratitude genuinely. Let her know that her efforts don't go unnoticed and that you value not just the sacrifice, but also the intention behind it. However, it's also important to strive for balance in the relationship. Ensure that her sacrifices are not one-sided and that you are equally willing to make compromises for her happiness. This mutual give and take fosters a healthy, balanced, and nurturing relationship where both partners feel valued and cared for. She encourages your personal growth. A woman who genuinely cares for you will play a significant role in encouraging your personal growth. She might support your career aspirations, inspire you to pursue your hobbies, or motivate you to achieve your goals. This support goes beyond mere words. It often involves actions like providing resources, offering constructive feedback, or simply being there to listen and encourage. Her involvement in your growth journey demonstrates her commitment to not just the relationship, but to you as an individual. It shows she wants to see you succeed and flourish in all aspects of your life. Recognize and appreciate the role that she plays in your growth. Show gratitude for her support and let her know how much it means to you. Engage in open discussions about your goals and aspirations and seek her input. Additionally, be supportive of her personal growth as well. Encourage her ambitions and support her in her pursuits. This mutual support creates a strong foundation for a relationship where both partners are committed to each other's well-being and success, leading to a fulfilling and empowering partnership. She handles conflicts maturely. Now, the way a person handles conflicts is a significant indicator of their maturity and compatibility as a partner. A woman who approaches disagreements and conflicts with maturity, open-mindedness, and a willingness to find solutions is invaluable in a relationship. She likely avoids unnecessary drama, communicates her feelings clearly, and seeks understanding rather than victory in arguments. This mature approach to conflict resolution is essential for a healthy, stable relationship. It shows she's committed to the well-being of the relationship and values resolution over conflict. Recognize and value her maturity in handling conflicts. When disagreements arise, engage with her in a similar manner. Strive for open and honest communication. Listen to her perspective and work together towards a solution. Avoid escalating conflicts unnecessarily and appreciate her efforts to resolve issues in a constructive way. This mutual respect and effort in conflict resolution can significantly strengthen your relationship, fostering a deeper understanding and bond. It's important to learn from each conflict, using these experiences to grow both as an individual but also as a couple. She shows patience and understanding. Patience and understanding are key traits that contribute to a healthy and enduring relationship. A woman who consistently shows patience, whether in waiting for you to open up emotionally or dealing with life's ups and downs, is demonstrating a deep level of commitment and empathy. Her understanding nature, especially during times when things don't go as planned or when facing personal challenges, is a testament to her emotional maturity and care for the relationship. This kind of support can create a secure and trusting environment where you feel valued and accepted for who you are. Recognize and value these qualities in her, show gratitude for her patience and understanding, and make it known that her approach is not taken for granted. Practice patience and understanding in return. Relationships, well, they're a two-way street. When facing challenges, remember to communicate openly and give her the same level of understanding and support that she offers to you. Mutual patience and understanding can help navigate through tough times more smoothly and can strengthen the bond that you share. These traits lay a strong foundation for a respectful, caring and supportive partnership. If this video resonates with you, please leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. I value your feedback immensely. She shows affection and caring consistently. A woman who shows affection and care consistently is not just expressing her feelings, she's nurturing the relationship. This consistent affection can come in various forms, such as thoughtful gestures, kind words, physical touch, or just being there for you when you need her. These actions indicate her deep commitment and emotional investment in the relationship. They are signs of a loving and attentive partner who values the connections that you share. Consistent affection and care are crucial for maintaining the warmth and closeness of a relationship. Appreciate and acknowledge the different ways that she shows her affection and her care. Respond with your own gestures of love and appreciation. It's important to reciprocate her feelings, showing that her efforts are noticed and valued. This reciprocity fosters a balanced and fulfilling relationship. Be attentive to the small things that she does and express your gratitude. A relationship thrives when both partners feel appreciated and loved. Ensure that your actions also reflect your care and affection for her, contributing to a loving and mutually supportive partnership. She keeps your secrets and trusts you with hers. A woman who respects your privacy and keeps your confidences demonstrates a high level of trust and integrity. Similarly, when she shares her own secrets with you, it shows she sees you as a trustworthy and reliable partner. Now, this mutual trust is the cornerstone of a deep and meaningful relationship. It's about more than just not revealing what you've shared. It's a sign of respect, understanding, and support. When she entrusts you with her secrets, it's a clear indicator of her confidence in your bond and her willingness to be vulnerable with you. Respect the trust she places in you by keeping her secrets safe and valuing the ones that she shares. Show that you are a reliable and discreet partner. When she confides in you, listen with empathy and without judgment, providing support or advice only when asked. Be equal, open, and trusting with her, sharing your own thoughts and confidences as appropriate. This reciprocal trust can create a strong foundation of mutual respect and understanding, enhancing the emotional depth and security of your relationship. Bonus tip. Now, a key bonus tip, building on the previous points, is the cultivation of mutual respect and appreciation in your relationship. This element can significantly enhance the connection that you share. Let's dive into how fostering mutual respect and appreciation can positively transform your relationship dynamics. Mutual respect and appreciation go beyond mere acknowledgement of each other's qualities and efforts. It involves actively showing regard for her feelings, opinions, and contributions to the relationship. Regularly express appreciation for the things that she does, big or small, and show respect for her thoughts and her decisions. Similarly, when you feel respected and appreciated, communicate this to her. This mutual exchange creates a nurturing environment where both partners feel valued and understood. It's about creating a balanced relationship where both of you can thrive and feel fulfilled, each person feeling equally important and cherished. Implementing mutual respect and appreciation in your relationship is vital for long-term harmony and, of course, satisfaction. It deepens the emotional connection, it will strengthen the trust, and build a strong foundation for enduring love and partnership. These practices ensure that both partners feel seen, feel heard, and are valued, fostering a healthy and loving relationship. As we wrap up this session, you might wonder what's next. Consider exploring how to get her attention or delve into the things that you should never do for a girl. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content.